How to swap tokens on Rabby. Alright guys, so once you've signed into your Rabby wallet, all you need to do is just simply scroll till you see the option to swap. Swapping is really easy. There are two ways of actually swapping. You could either bridge or you could swap. Now, if you click on swap, it is a direct swap. You could move from one token over to the next. So that's moving from Ethereum as a token to USDC on the same Ethereum network. That is how it works. Now, if you were to change up the chains, let's say you want to use the BNB Smart Chain, you could easily swap from BNB. Let's say you have one BNB and you could swap that into USDT on the same network. This works on the same network. If you want to find something else, if you want to swap into something else, you have to search for it. And hopefully it would appear on the search, and that way you could perform a direct swap. So this is how it would work for swapping tokens. Now, if you want to swap with networks, you have to head over to Bridge. Bridging is basically moving from one network to the other. So let's say you want to bridge from the Ethereum over to BNB Smart Chain. So let's say you have one Ethereum over to BNB. It would show you how many BNB you'd be receiving and the bridge source. And then all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Bridge, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions.